So let's go ahead and have a look at the CX. Comes in the pouch. As you can see, it's quite well used. I do wear it almost every day. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. Put that to one side. So overall appearance, it's quite small. It's quite neat. Obviously, with all these holes cut out in the frame, they're reducing weight. Certain parts of it, as you can see, are carbon fibre scales here, which again all down to reducing the weight. The first thing at this end that we'll see is the carabiner for locking onto a belt or a rucksack, but that also doubles up as your bottle opener as well. You can tell from the shape that that's what's going to happen. But this spring-loaded clip here as part of the carabiner, and then obviously for a bottle opener, doing it that way. There are no other tools available in the closed form apart from the really fine belt clip, which you can just see here. I know you can make that out now. Really well designed how they've kept it in with the swooping lines of that side. And the only other thing you can get to, again, I'll just bring it up so you can see the edge of it there. If I turn it that way, that's where you store the spare heads for the screwdriver bit. Yeah, put that back in there. And although you might think they're not particularly safe, it is held in very sturdily with a little finger pinch notch there just to push them out. As far as knife goes, 154 steel on the main blade. Whether you like it, some people do, some people don't, but it is one that is part serrated. Again, to reduce weight, we've got these little holes here, but the main hole here for opening the blade is quite a decent size. Nice sharp blade out the box as well. To close the blade, using my thumb here, we push down on the lock, on the liner lock, and that'll put it in. But just to show you for opening, thumb in the hole, and then the knife comes out. Again, I'd preferred a smooth blade, a straight edge blade all the way for me, but it comes with the part serrated. Now if we open up the tool, I'll open up this arm first, which gives us your screwdriver head, and with the little thumb catch here to push and release the bits, swap them over, put it back in to give you the different kind of drivers that you want, and it is compatible with all the Leatherman style bits. If we now bend all the way open, we now have a set of pliers stroke wire cutters. Only downside is, I've got to say, they are for light work only, because the comfort of holding these in your hand, always make sure that the Skeletool big handle here with the writing on is the one that sits in your palm, because it's the most comfortable. And this bent area here will just sit nicely in your hand. Do it the other way, and it's just so uncomfortable. Trying to put quite heavy pressure on things using these pliers hurts, basically. But for light work, they are absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Good wire cutters, nice and strong, pretty sharp as well. And that really is basically all you get with the Skeletool. But you know, carrying all the tools that the big Leathermans like the Charge have, which I also use, sometimes there's too much on there, too much weight. But for an everyday carry, simple, straightforward, I really rate the Skeletool CX. And that's it for the quick video review of the Skeletool CX. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.